Hi, my delightful chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to fry some potatoes. All I used for this recipe is some nice Yukon Gold potatoes and duck fat I had left over from making duck breasts. Duck fat is one of the richest flavored fats to fry with. With that said, let's start cooking. Small to medium-sized potatoes are ideal for this dish. Larger potatoes don't smash as easily. I'm using the flat bottom of a bowl to smash the potatoes. You could use a heavy pot too. Basically anything that's flat and will get you an even surface to do the smushing in will do just fine. You're looking to try to get them to an even thickness of about 1/4 of an inch. Heat the duck fat in a skillet to about medium-high heat. You want the oil hot enough so it will begin frying the potato as soon as they enter the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until it's crispy on both sides and the inside is cooked through. Be sure not to plop the potatoes into the skillet to avoid splattering. They do fry up rather quickly. You can see the rapid bubbling going on. Once they've been flipped, give it another 2 minutes or so on the other side to finish cooking. I don't show this, but remove the potatoes to a paper-lined plate so that it can soak up any excess fat before serving and let cool down. Season to taste with salt, pepper, parsley, tarragon, anything you like. Personally, I didn't season these at all. The duck fat provided enough flavor for me, but look how crispy these are on the outside, and I gotta tell you, it was tender and creamy on the inside. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!